Good morning. So we'll start session 5 on chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. So in today's class we'll understand about multiplication of a binomial by a binomial. So till now we understood monomial by a monomial, monomial by a binomial, and in today's session we'll study about binomial by binomial as well as binomial by a trinomial multiplication. So let's start. Multiply the following binomials. Quickly, we'll mark the homework, children, here. From the first name, I'll give you first one homework, second one homework, third one, fourth one homework. Yes. So first name, I've given you 3 homeworks here. I'll start with third one. That is 2.5L minus 0.5M and that is into 2.5. I had told you and means addition, but here they have given multiply. This and this we have to multiply plus 0.5M. Okay. So when we multiply this, how the multiplication has to be? First, take the first expression or the first term here. What I can tell is 2.5L of multiply the first one by the whole expression. That is 2.5L plus 0.5M. Whatever is the sign, that is minus here, minus 0.5M of again this whole. 2.5L plus 0.5M. It can be done with this expression also or with this expression. This is called as distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now simplify. 25 is a first decimal multiplication. When we do, we just multiply numbers and then shift the decimal. 25 is 625. Decimal after 2. L and L square. Plus 25 is 125. Decimal after 1, decimal after 1, decimal after 2, LN. Minus 25 is 125 LN minus 5 is 25 decimal after 2 M square. Plus minus cancelled. 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square is the answer. Quickly, third one, fourth one I have marked for homework. Fifth one I will start. 2PQ plus 3Q square and 3PQ minus 2Q square. 2PQ plus 3Q square and 3PQ minus 2Q square. So first write 2PQ here. Multiply this with this binomial. 3PQ minus 2Q square plus 3Q square of 3PQ minus 2Q square. So multiply this. 2 3s are 6P square Q square. 2 2s are 4P Q raised to 3 plus 3 3s are 9P Q raised to 3 minus 3 2s are 6Q raised to 4. Okay, we just multiplied with the powers what all we had. Now, unlike term, keep this as it is. P square Q square minus 4 plus 9 is plus 5PQ cube minus 6Q raised to 4 is the answer. Quickly, we are left with the one last one. This is how we multiply a binomial by binomial multiplication. Sixth one, 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square and 4 of a square minus 2 by 3 b square. First we'll finish multiplying that with the bracket whatever is there. So this will be 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square of 4a square minus 4 2s are 8 by 3 b square. Okay, we first multiplied with the bracket. Now 3 by 4 a square outside, multiply the first term with the whole, 4a square minus 8 by 3b square plus whatever is the sign 3b square of 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. Multiply this. Now do not just multiply and write the answer because you have a denominator also. Easy for cancellation. 3 into 4 divided by 4 a raised to 4, right? I can write 3 4s are 12, then I get 4 1s are. Why unnecessarily? We can cancel it when we have such thing. Minus 8 into 3 divided by 4 into 3 a square b square plus only numbers here 12 a square b square minus 3 into 8 divided by 3 b raised to 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 3a raised to 4. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 4 1s are 4 2s are. Minus 2a square b square plus 12a square b square. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Minus 8 b raised to 4. 3a raised to 4 minus 2 plus 12 is plus 10 a square b square minus 8 b raised to 4 is your answer. With that we complete the first mean. Now the next mean is direct again. Multiply the binomials. So I'll only do the, I think we can take up second and fourth one here. Second mean I'll give you first one and third one homework. Homeworks are given so that as along with the exercise it will be a practice for you how to solve these sums. So there and then you get a practice of solving. Okay. Second mean find the product. First and third one is marked for homework. So second one I will do it. X plus 7y, 7x minus y. Again children, x here of 7x minus y plus 7y of 7x minus y. 7x square minus xy plus 7 7s are 49xy minus 7y square. 7x square plus 48xy 1 and minus 1 plus 49 minus 7y square is the answer. Next one, fourth I have to do. That is p square minus q square of 2p plus q. P square as it is 2p plus q minus q square of 2p plus q. So multiply this, what you get? 2p raised to 3. P square into this is p square q minus 2p into q square 2p q square minus q. Now see here it is different. P square and q, p square q. Here it is q square p. Are there any like terms here? No, all are unlike terms. This is the final answer. Okay, this is how you multiply. And the last mean. Now last mean is a combination of the terms where we have to again add and subtract them also and write. So let's start quickly. Quickly take your homeworks here in third main also. So what I'll do is here in third main, second one I'll give you for homework. Third one I'll give you for homework. I think yes, that's all. Remaining all the sums I'll be solving it. So third main, second and third is marked. We'll start with the first one. X square minus 5, x plus 5 plus 25. Plus 25 is to be kept as it is. Only touch the binomials now. X square of x plus 5 minus 5 of x plus 5 plus 25 as it is. X cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 25 plus 25. Minus 25 plus 25 cancel. Answer x cube plus 5x square minus 5x is your answer. So the similarly second one I have given for homework, third one also I have given for homework. Fourth one I will start. A plus b, c minus d plus a minus b, c plus d plus 2 of ac plus bd. It is a combination of a binomial and addition all together here. We go on doing simultaneously. A of c minus d plus b of c minus d plus a of c plus d minus b of c plus d plus will multiply 2ac plus 2bd. Let's multiply AC minus AD. So plus BC minus BD plus AC plus AD minus BC minus BD plus 2AC plus 2BD. Let's group the terms AC, AC and 2AC. We'll first write them together. AC plus AC plus 2AC minus AD plus AD. Anything else AD we have? No. Minus AD plus AD plus BC minus BC. Okay, last is the only BD term left now. So minus BD minus BD plus 2BD minus BD minus BD plus 2BD. 2, 3, 4. 4 AC plus AD minus AD plus BC minus BC minus 2BD plus 2BD will get cancelled. Answer is only 4 AC. Right? We'll move to the next sum. Similarly, how we have done this. The next one. That is fifth one. X plus y, 2x plus y plus x plus 2y and x minus y. So again we do the same thing. In between we have addition. We'll check the sum. X plus y, 2x plus y plus x plus 2y, x minus y. Take x of 2x plus y plus y of 2x plus y plus x of x minus y plus 2y of x minus y. 2x square plus xy plus 2xy plus y square plus x square minus xy plus 2xy minus 2y square. Let's group the terms. First of all, if you see here is 2x square, do you have? Yes. You have 2x square and x square. 2x square plus x square. Then what do we have? We have xy, 2xy minus xy plus 2xy. So plus xy plus 2xy minus xy plus 2xy. So next what is only remaining is plus y square minus 2y square. So 3x square plus xy minus xy cancelled, plus 2 is 4xy minus y square. 3x square plus 4xy minus y square. We'll move to the next one, children, that is sixth one. X plus y of x square minus xy plus y square. It is a multiplication of a binomial with trinomial. Same rule will apply here. X of x square minus xy plus y square plus y of x square minus xy plus y square. X cube minus x square y plus xy square, just multiply that with whatever powers you have here, plus x square y. Try to write in the same order always. I can also write yx square. I already have in terms of xy square. Write in the same order, easy for you to understand. Minus xy square plus y cube. Let's group the terms. X cube as it is, y cube as it is. No other terms are there with that. Minus x square y plus x square y. xy square plus xy square minus xy square. Cancel, cancel. Answer is x cube plus y cube. Very clear? Let's move to the next one. 7th and 8th, the last two sums of this exercise. With that, we complete the first part of the lesson, that is algebraic expression we complete. The next session, the next part of this chapter will be about algebraic identities, which is very, very important. Seventh one. 1.5x minus 4y of 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. Okay. So again, the addition part to be kept as it is. Only take this line part here. 1.5x of 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4y of 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. 15 15s are 225. So first write 225. After 2 decimal point here, x square. 15 4s are 60 plus 6.0. Okay, because 60 when you write decimal after 1, xy. 15 3s are 45. So first write this point x. Okay. Again the similar part here. Minus 15 4s are is 60, that is 6.0 xy. Minus 4 4s are 16y square. Minus 4 3s are 12y. Minus 4.5x plus 12y in the question. Very clear? We have only one x square term and we have one y square term. We'll write that in the beginning we'll write. 2.25 x square minus 16y square. Then what do we have? We have about xy plus 6xy minus 6xy. 0.0 is nothing. Then we have about x and x plus 4.5x minus 4.5x. Then we have about y plus 12y, minus 12y and plus 12y. So plus minus plus minus plus minus. Answer is 2.25 x square minus 16 y square is the answer. And the last one, that is 8th one. A plus b plus c of a plus b minus c. This is the multiplication of a trinomial with trinomial. Let's do this. We haven't done this now. Take the first term multiplied by the next three. A plus b minus c plus b multiplied by the rest. A plus b minus c. And the last plus c. A plus b minus c. This is how we multiply a trinomial by a trinomial. Go on multiplying now. A square plus ab minus ac plus ab plus b square minus bc plus ac plus bc minus c square. So you have a square, b square, c square. First we will write that. A square plus b square plus c square. Then you have ab and ab. Then you have AB and AB. Oh, it is minus C square. Okay. Then you have AB plus AB. Then after AB you have minus AC plus AC. Minus AC plus AC. After AC you have minus BC plus BC. Minus BC plus BC. Cancel. Cancel. So answer is a square plus b square minus c square plus 2ab is your answer. With that we complete algebraic expression, where we understood what is an algebraic expression: term, monomial, binomial, trinomial, multiplication of a monomial to a monomial, monomial with binomial, binomial with binomial, and binomial with trinomial, and trinomial with a trinomial. This is the multiplication process. Along with that, we also understood about like terms and unlike terms. How do we add them and we cannot subtract them. So our next session will be on algebraic identities, a very important session.